how to use ACF 2.2 water meter. From the main screen, you can select your user recipe. Whenever you want to change the function, make sure that function is highlighted. When you do want to make changes, just press the scrolling button. Now from here, you can find your wanted recipe. To choose the recipe, press again. Now you have selected your recipe. You can set water discharge temperature. This can be temporarily adjusted when using a set recipe. Any changes applies only for the current discharge. You can set the water volume in liters. Temporary changes are possible in user recipes. Changes applies only to the current discharge, not onto saved recipe. To start discharging of your water, move your cursor to the start point and press the button for more than 2 seconds, and your water discharging will start. The recipe will automatically return to your original settings. To go to your home page, scroll down on the house, choose yes. From here, you can go back to your main recipe page and control and set water quantity and water supply temperature. This will allow small water samples without setting quantity or temperature. You can supply a mixed water by manually setting a temperature. This page, you can create or edit recipes. The alarm clock displays or deletes alarm lock. This one shows temperature progression during water supply. From the setup, you can open settings menu for control functions. To return back to your home page for the dosing function, choose the tap sign, and now you're back. If you're aiming to discharge cold water, please note that the temperature accuracy on the 2.2 model may vary slightly when dosing under 10 liters. For customers requiring both small and large water doses with more precise temperature control, the TJ50 model would be a more suitable option.